Well, hello there. Today I want to talk about pitch, your optimum pitch to speak at, and it is the pitch at which you have the most amount of sound for the least amount of energy. I have a pitch here. I'm right about that pitch. I'm speaking to you, but I've been sick recently and I wasn't speaking there. I was teaching, and there's a hair from my kitty. And I started speaking down lower, and I started pushing. When you have a cold, when you have the flu or sinus infection like myself, then you've got to be more careful because you start to go down lower. You start wearing the tiredness, the feeling sick. Oh, I just feel terrible, you know. And you can even go down to what's called a glottal fry, like down here like that. And so okay, I'm really down that low. I really cannot, well, I can almost sing down. Yeah, but I'm not going to speak down there because it's very harsh on the voice. But even when I'm down here, I can get away with it. But when I'm sick, the muscles are already inflamed with the, you know, the maybe the sore throat and then the mucus going down all the time. So what you want to do is be a little bit kinder to your voice and speak at that optimum pitch, a pitch where you're clear, but you're not speaking up really high like this and keeping your voice strained to be up there, but you're speaking here, and this is perfect, this is comfortable. I'm getting a lot of volume, but I'm not shoving and pushing the voice. The other thing is that you're going to be able to feel the push. So you want to be very, very conscious of it. You don't want to let it slide past and just not acknowledge it. After a duration of time of doing this, a lot of times it becomes a habit, and then you start speaking like this and you go backwards more and more. And then when you want to get your point out, a lot of times you'll go faster and you're trying to get your point out, but then you aren't taking a breath. Okay? So you want to take more breaths. You want to speak at a good optimum pitch. You want to be aware when your muscles are being pushed, especially after you have a cold, flu, sinus, like, you know, any of those wonderful things. We can get into when you're stressed and the thing called voice therapy, okay? But when you have been sick, like I said, and if the voice has been hoarse, you've got to take special care of the voice, all right? Don't speak so quickly. Oh, guess who joined us? Oh my gosh, I got to get back here. It's Mr. Spartacus. I'm going to go back here a little. Hey, Spartacus, say hi. Oh, there he is. I'm going to put my leg up. So Mr. Spartacus is with us. So he agrees that you've got to speak at your optimum pitch. You have to not wear your sickness, wear your tiredness. And what else? Oh, notice I have a scarf. Now, a lot of times LA is usually warm, but it was so cold. You know, it was freezing. So, and it's a bad hair day. Well, it's not that bad. Not as bad as the last one. So I am wrapping my scarf. Bye-bye. Scared him. I wrap my scarf around my neck. I want to keep these muscles warm. Remember, you're an athlete, so you want to care for the voice. And my hair went back. Oh, got to keep it like this because I love it, you know. Okay, so you want to be caring for that voice when you're going out in the cold. Keep the muscles warm, okay? If you're going to have to sing in the cold, have something a little bit warm to drink so your muscles feel really good. But nothing can take the place of you warming the voice up. Warming the voice up. Please, please, please. Okay, going from low to high, not just singing some songs. It'd be great earlier if you could test yourself out with a song, but warming the muscles before you sing, then a little bit of a rest, and then knowing that you've done everything for your muscles. And remember, people are going to want to talk to you, and they're going to want to interview you, and then you've got all kinds of things to do before you sing. Take the time out to rest your voice, to settle yourself in. Everybody's different, but don't overuse the voice, especially if you've been sick before. Be very conscious of how it feels, okay? All right, we have a great day. Bye-bye.